Good morning, everyone. I hope you guys are doing well. Today is a day when it's not raining, so I want to take out my ride, just making sure I am not missing out on days when I can ride. All right. Ready to rock and roll. For the past 2 days it's been just raining, and yeah, I didn't get to ride at all. I hope you guys like the new Semspeed Rizoma inspired mirrors. I like them. Unlike the Rizomas, they are a little functional. Like, you get to see traffic behind you to some extent. And what I like is there are blinkers integrated within these mirrors. Don't understand why BMW has made a charge sign over here next to the miles. It almost seems like it's an electric bike, which brings me to another quick update. So I've put a deposit on Damon motorcycles, the premier motorbike. I think it's a very promising piece of technology, and I wanted to be among those few who will be riding an electric bike. Just wanted to say good morning to my neighbors. But it's not morning, it's just afternoon time. God damn, this exhaust is super loud. I love it. Oh, I forgot to buckle up my helmet. So, sorry guys. Let me do that. Just real quick. I don't use the D-rings. I have a clip. So yeah, for the past 2 days it's just been raining. As you can see, there's so much of debris on the side of roads, but that doesn't stop us from riding. Hey, all you guys in Vietnam, Philippines, India, Pakistan, Middle East, Europe, Americas, South Americas, Africa, love to you guys. and keep riding. Keep riding. You guys have probably better weather. This ride is actually to determine whether at slightly high speeds do I get vibrations in my steering bars, and from just riding around at low speeds I can tell I'm not getting any vibrations. The stock mirrors, yes, they're goddamn good mirrors. They're very good. They do the job well, but these are just aesthetically so pleasing, so beautiful. And it's not that you can't see behind you. These are quite functional. Like I said, these are Rizoma inspired Semspeed for a fraction of the price, but at the same time you get what you pay for. I mean, this is an actual mirror inside of it. It's not polished aluminum like Moto Gadget or Rizoma. Which is fine. Like I said, you get what you pay for. But the rest, the enclosure, the body of it is all aluminum. The fact that you get blinkers with it, I mean, it comes with or without blinkers, and I love it. The setup that I have is with blinkers. So as you can see, no vibration in the steering. The handlebars, they're pretty planted. Those factory mirrors were actually causing a lot of vibrations. They were tight enough that and there was actually some Loctite on them too. They were tight. They were not loose, but they had a lot of feedback. Because of that, the front end of the bike was a little flimsy. Let's see at a little higher speed if there is some vibrations or feedback in the front end. Gosh, they're super clear, and I can see there's a car. actually very good. I like this setup a lot. Now the other option that I was considering was, just like my Ducati, have bar end mirrors and blinkers, but no, I will stick with them. And thank you, Semspeed. This is not a sponsored video. I purchased these. It's not sponsored or gifted to me. God damn, this exhaust is loud. And at like 4,000 RPM, it just burbles. Snap, crackle, pop, baby.